Hello, my name is Robert Harrison, and this is my submission for EDSE 517, the Module 6 lab assignment, in which we were to create a 16-cell talking communication board on BoardMaker Online. So my inspiration for this assignment was my 18-month-old son, who is communicating pretty well and practicing a lot at it, and he's giving a lot of demands throughout the day. I actually plan on using this choice board with him. I think this could possibly help him differentiate the words better and maybe even practice speaking each specific word, or at least hearing it more often. So I assume this type of choice board with categories of, food, drinks, and various needs and wants could also be beneficial to any younger individual who requires AAC for communication. So as you can see, I color-coded the different categories. I wanted to play around with that feature, so I have the drinks are in orange, the food is in blue, the toys are in green, and then your kind of bedtime needs and wants are in white there at the bottom. I will play each one. I also chose to do the speak text feature for one item in each category, just so that we could, again, kind of practice that feature and hear a complete sentence as opposed to just the label. So there's one item in each category that will speak the complete sentence, which could be beneficial if we're trying to teach him how to form a complete sentence and use the word please and things like that.
Milk. Water. I want juice, please. Strawberry. I want apple, please. Banana. Orange. Fruit snacks. Puzzle. Blocks. I want ball, please. Truck. Blanket. Pacifier. I want book, please. Teddy bear.
So there's an example of a walkthrough of this talking communication board that I've created. I think it would be beneficial for, again, a younger individual, maybe at home or in a leisurely setting to communicate their wants and needs. Thanks for listening.